'cause I still need you.
Alright you guys, so I'm a really big gamer. I've been playing Black Desert Online for about 2 years now, or a little bit over. I also play Overwatch and some other games, but like my gaming setup area has like just been declining over the years. And let me show you what I have right now. So I actually just got 2 monitors. This one has a higher refresh rate for my games, and this one is actually a drawing tablet. It's on portrait mode right now, but I can flip it so it goes to landscape mode, and it has a full touchscreen. I have a pen for it, and I can use that for drawing. But basically, I need to fix all this crap up because everything's crazy. My wires are all fucked up, so I need to fix all the wires and like the management. And then basically I have these 3 fans in my freaking rig. And hold on, let me actually, so I have these 3 intake fans in my rig, and they were really cool. They were like X fans, but holy crap, like within a month they all broke. None of the LEDs work. They make a freaking stupid ass noise all the time. They sound like my damn PC is a freaking diesel truck. Like, I don't know if you can hear this. I'm gonna put the mic up to it. You hear that shit? Sounds like a fucking diesel. So I got 3 replacement fans for that. I've been neglecting the crap out of this. I gotta clean the fuck out of it. I'm gonna dust everything out, and then we're gonna get everything nice and good. So basically that's what I gotta do. I gotta head over to Home Depot to get some stuff, and then we're gonna fix everything up. Okay, so a little update on what's going on. So I took out my PC. I ended up putting all the new fans in. It's looking good. Cleaned it up. I painted the walls. Painted the walls all down here because they were like still white and dirty. And these are the new fans. I basically they're the same fans all around my PC that I had before, but I don't know, I just switched them for those cool little X fans, but screw those fans, they suck. Don't ever buy them. And this is all the disaster that I have to go through now, and just like make all of this cable managed. So I'm gonna get to that. Alright, so these are the LEDs when they're all diffused, and they're looking good. So everything's complete. Next thing I have to do is I'm going to build a custom desk. Today I'm building my custom gaming desk, and it's like a L-shaped desk I'm trying to build. But basically I have these really cool RGB like light strips that I put in these diffusers, and I'm going to embed those all along the edge of the L desk. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these plywood, and then I'm going to get some wood strips that are about the same width as my LED strips, and then I'm going to sandwich it with another piece of plywood. So it's basically like it has a little channel along the whole edges, and then I'm going to put brackets so I can put the LED strips inside the desk. So basically this is what the LED strips look like in the diffuser housing, and these are the brackets I will be using. So basically I have these little strips of wood. I'm going to be putting the brackets on and putting the LEDs on the brackets, and then I'm sandwiching this whole thing with another piece of plywood.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around. This this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Alright, so actually, I had a jigsaw that I was gonna cut the wood with, but actually, I think I'm gonna get a circular saw at Home Depot right now. And then I also need to get some freaking safety glasses because I forgot when I went to buy all my shit. That's one of the things I forgot. So we're going to Home Depot right now. Alright, so I just picked up the circular saw and I also got another blade for plywood. But this is the circular saw. And I have safety glasses and another blade in there. So we should be good to go. Let's see how this works.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing night.
Alright, so it's day 2 on the build. It's kind of looking like it's gonna rain today. I'm not exactly sure how many hours I'm gonna get to work because I don't want to work in the rain. But so far, this is what I'm doing right now. So basically, I'm working on the inner part of the frame. So this is going to be in the middle of my desk. So this is the LED light strip with the diffuser. And basically, I'm making these wooden tracks so that once I stick these in, the LEDs would be flush with the desk along the edges, and basically it's going to get sandwiched on top. And then right here, because this is a L-shaped desk, I really don't want to put a leg right here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cut these 2 little slots right here, and then I'm going to get this board over here, and that board is about 7 inches wide, and I'm going to cut it in half. And then basically these slots are 7 inches wide, and I'm going to fasten the boards on this side, and then there's also going to be holes along the lining of this board, so when I want to join them together, basically it's like a little pocket and I can joint them into each other like that, and hopefully that'll help support this little gap right here. And then on the bottoms I'm gonna have like these little fastening metal brackets that is gonna hold them connected. And then hopefully I can get away with just the legs being right here, here, and then right there. So these are the boards that I was talking about earlier. Basically they're like little pocket boards. So this is how it looks like. It's connected only on this side, and then on this side of the desk will be the part that slides in, and then like basically this will help support the joint between the 2 L brackets. Alright, so last update for the day. I kind of completed the whole top of the desk, and I'm just like, I didn't like mount the lights yet, but I put them in just to mock them up, and this is how it looks like. Alright, so it's the next day. I put some wood filler in the areas that I had screws bolted down. So they look like this. And I already sanded it down, and basically I'm putting a skin over all of this so you won't ever see that. And alright, so I'm putting in the back of the cabinets, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I just finished I'm drilling holes to put the backing of the cabinets, and I have to say these cabinets have been a pretty big challenge. I mean, this is only my first one, and this is really my first wood project, so it's kind of a lot of math that I'm not used to. I messed up on how big the back side should be, so they're like too small, so I have to make new ones. And I don't know, hopefully the next cabinet goes a lot smoother than this one, because this one was kind of a challenge. Alright, so I'm exhausted, but I'm on like the last stretch of this project. So I just finished putting on, what is it? It's like shellac on the wood, so it's like nice and smooth. And basically I'm putting on the little wrap now. I did this piece so far, and honestly working with this wrap, it's like really easy. I thought it was gonna be like really difficult because of all the air bubbles, but like if you just hit it with the heat gun, it kind of just falls out. So I'm gonna try to get at least this one done today, and then I might worry about the cabinets another day because I'm not sure if I have enough wrap. But alright, so I got the desk all set up in my room now. So I did a lot of renovating, so I redid all of my wires, so you can't really see any of my wires exposed. I have like these things right here for cable management, about this little thing under here for cable management. I have this like little retractable USB type C charger that I can just pull, and then when I'm not using it I can just send it back into the crevices of hell. And then this is my laptop. I just keep it under here just because it's a nice little place to put it. And this is actually the new drawing monitor I have. It's just in portrait mode right now because I use it for Discord while I'm gaming, but it has a fully articulating arm. I don't know if I can show it right now, but basically I can pull this whole screen forward and then, you know, put it into landscape so I can draw with it. And oh yeah, and I drilled a hole inside of the desk so all these wires can just be sent into the desk so it doesn't look all messy and like travel up there all weird. And yeah, it basically comes down into here and then goes through the hole right there. And I put up the little diffusers for the LEDs on the top, and I replaced my ring light with these lights. They work really good. They're diffusable, but I can also turn them on with my smartphone. Just like every light in my room now, I can turn it on with my smartphone now, so that works out. And then I have a webcam, but I don't really use it because I don't really like it. I have this right here because half the time I just use my phone to record my webcam, and then if I don't want to use this, I can unscrew this part and actually use the camera I'm vlogging on right now, and that can be my camera for a webcam. And then I added this drop down green screen. Basically it just goes behind me while I'm gaming, so it just works out perfectly. So that is the setup. And then so inside the drawers, I'm really big on supplements, so I have a shitload of supplements, and yeah, that's where I keep all my supplements. And this is the pull out trash can, and basically, you know, just a trash can, keep my shit nice and clean. And then I attached the TV to the PC, so I have a fourth screen for like playing Forza. Like any racing game, I don't really like playing it on a monitor. It's just so much more immersive on a big screen, so I just attached it because why not? And alright, so all I got to do now is turn off all of the lights, and I'll show you how the setup looks when it's in full swing. But yeah, so that's basically my setup while it's all in full swing. I actually love how the desk came out. I'm not sure how well you can see the colors are changing on this, but they're like actually changing. Maybe if I get up really closely. But yeah, the colors change. Everything is ran through my smartphone. I can actually turn on my little face light cam through my phone. So I'll show you. This is the, it's called, all the products are Govee. And basically this is the little hub that you get. And then I can just go down to face lights and then turn them on. And then you can see now the face lights are actually on, and I can get light to my face when I need it. And I also can manually turn these lights on with the switch that is right there. If I just press that button, the light will also do the same thing. So that's actually gonna be it for the video for today. I really gotta get back on work with artwork. Like, I'm starting to do tattoos, and basically I need to do a bunch of drawings. So you'll see me soon with some vlogs up when I'm either working on tattoos for myself or other people, but they should be up pretty soon. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. See you later.